Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to create a layer mask or how to use a layer mask. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. So let's say I have two pictures right here and I want to create a layer mask on top of the other, right? Super easy and simple. If that's something that I want to do, all I do is click on the toppermost layer to the equation that I'm looking for, and then I'd right click it and press add a layer mask, white for full opacity and black for full transparency. And then let's say I open up my paintbrush or my pencil, and then I click on black or white, and then I can draw, and then now it will do a layer mask onto the thing below it. So let's go towards the white here. So it's gray is like a mix between the two. And then now as you see, I can, without like fully erasing the layer, I could kind of like see both layers at the same exact time. It's actually super cool. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a not Rust, a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.